Barbecue has a rich history that dates back to the Taino people in the Caribbean. They cooked meat over wooden frames called barbacoa. This method wasn't just about grilling, it was a slow smoking process that infused the meat with incredible flavor. When Spanish explorers encountered this technique, they brought the term back to Europe. It evolved into the word we use today, barbecue. By the 1600s, American colonists were hosting large outdoor feasts. They cooked everything from pork to beef over open flames. As cultures around the world embraced barbecue, it transformed into countless styles, from Korean bulgogi to South African braai. Yet, at its core, barbecue remains a celebration of smoke, heat, and the joy of coming together with family and friends.